fucking night, man. I tell you, can't catch a break, you know? Can't catch a fucking break. But long story short, Glenbert is sick. Like, real sick. Got some work that I gotta do to her. The motor finally blew up. So now I gotta rebuild it for sure now. I've been putting it off for some time, and yeah, it's finally done now. So now I gotta rebuild it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So Glenbert is the 4-door is done. I'm gonna get it running today though. But broke a rod inside of Glenbert last night. Cruising home, minding my business. Yeah, everything looked fine, but it's a hole in the block, in the back of the block. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to yank the block off and see if the heads is any good and go from there. So I'm gonna put the phone on the tripod and yank the heads off real quick, see if the head is at least salvageable, and then go from there. Then I'll know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna keep the H or I'm just gonna say fuck it, retire Glenbert for the winter, put a different motor in it. So yeah, let me mount this shit up. Alright guys, the phone died on me and the camera did some crazy things. I had to go plug my charger in. It's in the gimbal charging. Alright, took the heads off. This piston damn near flipped. So I see where the valve came in contact with it. My sleeves are done. But then again, this is the second time the same motor has been blown up. Because like I said, I blew it up before and I rebuilt it. And it runs strong. I'm proud of it. It ran, and I got that 12.9 before it blew up. I mean that 12.1 before it blew up, so I'm proud of that. The dome of the piston and everything still looks good. It still looked like I could reuse it some. This piston is fine. Looked like it might, nah, thought it had a crack, but that's just carbon buildup. My main thing that I want to see is the head salvageable? Can I reuse the heads? Ah man, so let's see. Let me flip this camera up. So, come on camera, stop. I hate this gimbal. So far so good. I can reuse, come on gimbal, it's so crazy. Yeah, I was holding it wrong, sorry guys. So I can reuse the heads. As you see, it needs a little cleaning up. I'm so happy that I could reuse it. Luckily this head was set for like higher compression than the regular H23 heads. This is the F20B heads, so it got a deeper dome cavity than the piston do. So when it went up, it hit a valve right there, I can see it, but this valve also have a lot of carbon buildup. It don't seem like I have any other damages. So yeah, I feel comfortable using this heads. So yeah, now that I know that the heads is good, I might be rebuilding her and just bringing her back out and say, yeah, save some money. Because honestly speaking, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all guys, I hate K-Series, I don't like K-Series, but when I seen this shit took place, I was like, fuck it, I'm not building another H. I'm just gonna go ahead and go K-Series. So the block is done. Not even the fact that it got a hole in the block, but as you can see, the sleeves are done. Like the sleeves have a whole bunch of scarring on it and all kind of stuff like that. But like I said before, this is the same block that I blew up about a year ago. They dropped the valve and demolished the pistons and all that crazy stuff. So yeah, the head is saved. Thank you, Jesus. But I got some other stuff that I got to do. The 4-door, we'll be taking it to track tomorrow. So my boy's school should be coming over to help me out. The other hatch is not here. It's at my boy's school's house. I got big plans for this car. It was supposed to be my Honda Day build, but you know, stuff ain't work out as planned, and when you got bills, shit happens. So for all that don't know this car, this is Nina. And yeah, I got big plans for this car. So hopefully I get it finished in time. If all goes as planned, I'll be working with Automotive Concept and Design to be doing some work to it, and hopefully we pull it off. I know we can pull it off, just hopefully we pull it off. But yeah, Scumbag is here. Scumbag was having an issue wherever I turn the key, like it will just make a little clunking noise, like it just locks up. This was basically just a quick update video because my phone is going dead, so I know I'm not gonna be able to video under the car with me putting the oil pan back on and stuff like that. Hopefully in the future, when I save up enough money, I can get some more GoPros, and well, better GoPro than the one that I have, and you know what I mean, so y'all could see exactly what I was doing under there. But it's gonna be kind of dark and my phone dead. Ain't even no point of trying to like venture into it right now. But still, I would give y'all an update on it to let y'all know if it's running or not. I gotta get it finished before the sun is out. But as far as Glenbert, she's sick, real sick. Put a hole in the block finally. I'm not proud of it, but that's what happened. Yeah, so now it's left down to what am I gonna do, you know? Am I gonna just find another block, a stronger block, put another block in it? Unfortunately, the rod broke, you know what I mean? So now I'm left with a task ahead of me to see what am I gonna do. Am I just gonna say the hell with it and just put another block in it, or am I gonna say whatever and just might stick a K24 in it, because I'm not using no damn K20s. I'd rather a K24, you know. So decisions, gotta make my mind up on what am I gonna do. Or I'm even thinking about just going turbo, but then at the same time it's like, yeah, I love boost, but I don't want all these cars to be boosted, because yeah, too much cars that'll be boosted, and boosted car have a lot of problems. I don't feel like dealing with that, not with my small bank account. But yeah, enough of me talking, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. I'm gonna pack stuff up. I'm gonna take the heads out of the car and put all the stuff back on there, the cams, cam girdles and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna let it go sit in the basement until I decide what am I gonna do, if I'm gonna keep it a H car or trade it over to fucking K-Series, or I don't know, do some weird shit with it. And sucks that I have to go through this, you know, but could have happened to anybody, and I'd rather it happen here than on the fucking track anyways, and then, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, sucks, but life goes on. Yeah, so there you go, man. Number 604, ran a 12.1, we're shooting for a 12.0. The Mickey Thompsons I had on there wouldn't let me do it because I kept bogging off the line. It was too sticky for where my launch was set at. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm about to close up, and yeah, fucking pick all this shit up off the floor now. Call it a day.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot bar. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.